Good morning. Today I'm cycling from Harrison to Wallace, Idaho. It's 68, partly sunny, some light winds. The majority of today is going to be on the Coeur D'Alene. I'm hoping to see a moose today. I didn't see any last time. There were two Gawa riders here. I did a quick visit at their campsite. Unfortunately, one of them is having to go home, saddle sores. The other one's continuing on. Look at all those nice flowers, lilies, very nice lilies to the left. Joining the Gawa has been a good thing. I've been seeing the riders fairly frequently, so it's nice having somebody to talk to. Wow, this little stretch of lilies is great. Where's that moose? Where are you, moose? It's 10 a.m. and there's 50 miles to get to Wallace. Nice birds to the right. Wow, nice view of the mountains to my left and the water. Passing to your right. Thank you.
Gotta get that picture, man.
Yeah, of course. What a view. I just came across two women coming from the east and asked if they saw any moose, and they're like, oh yeah, earlier back behind me. Darn it, I did not see the moose. But I figure if a moose is wading in the water, I'm gonna hear it. And anyway, this is beautiful. Even if I don't see any moose, it's still great. So my room in Harrison at the Lakeview Lodge was good. It was big enough, and it has a spectacular view of the lake. The big disadvantage there is they do not let you have your bike in the room. They do have a shed that you can put your bike in and they lock it. Hi there. I just keep hoping to see a moose, but so far no good. Looks like we got a trail angel here. I'm gonna just take a brief stop. Okay, I see a moose. Got something to the left here. Those have got to be the fattest cows I've ever seen. Moo! Moo! I got another set over here. Moo! Calves. Moo! Hello. Check this view to the left. The drone avoided the tree. That's a beautiful view. Hello. Very nice. It's 12:10. I've been biking for an hour and a half, and I'm noticing the landscape is changing. It's looking more like Montana now. I'm not seeing the marsh, just seeing the mountains. It's still incredibly beautiful. Look to the left. Wow. I have not had lunch yet. I'm going to see about having lunch in Coeur D'Alene. I'm not sure how you say it. Nice view to the river to the left. Very nice. There we go. Okay, there's a moose to the left. Nice view to the left. Well, we're approaching Coeur. It's about a mile. It's 12:43. All right, so I'm near Coeur, and I'm going to see about eating snacks at this little hut. Hi. Well, I bought some snacks. I was going to eat them right there. And then I asked her whether Caldo had a restaurant. She's like, oh yes, it's just down the trail just a bit. Well, once again, it's coming back to me, and there's the restaurant right there. I think I like this place. The Timbers Roadhouse appears to be open. Well, the restaurant was closed. I did eat those snacks. It is 1:10, and I don't know, we have a couple more places to stop. Wallace is 22.5 miles away. Hopefully I'll be there before 4. I still want a lunch. And that is where I had lunch in 2024. Unfortunately, I hit it on the wrong day. Cool bridge. You know what? I think we'll do a drone shot. Oh, the drone was fighting me this time. Still got me. If it goes into that water, it's all over. Nice. Very nice. That's nice. Hello. Hi. This sign just says trail work ahead. From a distance, I thought it said trail closed. There was a major fire in Kellogg, which is just about 5 or 10 miles before Wallace, and it is now fully contained. And there were closures, but those are all, everything's now fully open. So I think we're good there. Okay, we are at Pine Creek, but I don't think that place is open either. I don't see a single car. Yeah, that is not open. All right, we're gonna keep going. That restaurant, the Snake Place, is closed until Wednesday, but Pine Creek isn't until a mile and a half, so there's things there. Oh, very nice. To your left, sir. Or to your left. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Well, we're going to try this place. It's a deli. There are not a lot of choices here. All right, it is open. This does not look like a deli. Well, there was nothing open in Smelterville. Really, they have almost nothing. They did have a truck stop. Well, we're in Kellogg. Okay, I think I found a place that's open.
The destination is on your left, the Beanery.
Okay, well, I just got done at the Beanery. They had coffee and a bagel and some kind of a muffin. They didn't have like regular lunch. This place is like a food desert, or I just don't know where to go. It's probably I don't know where to go. But anyway, it's 2:40 and we have about 12 miles to Wallace. We should be there before 4, which is all I ask. Well, there's a full service bike shop right here. I'm gonna go in there and see if they'll check my chain. I don't know if it's open. Nothing else is. I don't think it's open. Yeah, it's closed Monday and Tuesday. Seems like that's the story of this whole area. Nothing's open on Mondays. This trail still got some beauty to show. Hello? Hello? Is there some kind of event? I've been seeing a lot of recumbents.
We do meet up here in Kellogg.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Hello there. He seems friendly, doesn't he? You just never know, though.
Very friendly, very scared.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. Nice. To the right. Okay, we're coming into Wallace. It is 3:40. Well, we're very close. I'm going to go ahead and try to get my chocolate milk.
To Pine Street, then turn left.
Well, I navigated to the hotel, but don't think I really needed to. Got the big sign, we got the little aliens, and the Stardust Motel sign. And we are here. Hello. How are you?